Of course, maganda at pinag-isipang mabuti ang aming mga plataforma.
Knowledge sharing. Knowledge is not just about collecting facts. It's also about sharing what we learn to cultivate positive relationships and interaction with our peers.
Anti-bullying campaign. Bullying must be recognized, understood, and taken seriously. Keeping our school clean isn't just the janitor's job, it's everybody's duty.
Together, let's take a small step each day to make our school clean and serene.
Party, of course, lagi kaming nandito para tumulong sa inyo. Just call my name and I'll be there. Max, sa tulong naman, hindi ko maabot. Hindi ko rin abot yan eh. Pero tutulungan kita. Thank you, Ma. You're welcome, Sila. Party, of course, nandito kami para pasahin kayo.